Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the scene: clear space, good light, and the right tools. Once done, spray a small amount of lubricant into the keyway to loosen rust and grime. You should then try to rotate the remaining stub slightly. Small movement tells you how it sits. Make sure to stabilize the lock body with one hand while you inspect. If you see the key tip, position needle nose pliers for a straight pull, otherwise switch to a thin extraction pick. You now work the extraction tool into the keyway behind the broken piece. Go slowly to avoid damaging pins. Once the tool is behind the fragment, tense your grip and gently pull outward while turning the lock as if unlocking, because that aligns pins and eases removal. If resistance increases, stop and relubricate. Repeated force often worsens the situation. Make sure to keep the tool aligned with the keyway axis so you don't shear the fragment into. You finish by carefully pulling the broken fragment free, and then testing the lock with the original key and a spare to confirm smooth function. Once done, clean excess lubricant and inspect for burrs that could catch future keys. If the fragment won't budge, try adhering a tiny amount of superglue to a thin rod to bond and lift. Use caution. One mistake can ruin the cylinder. If that fails, make sure to call a locksmith rather than forcing further and causing costly damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.